Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to copy sections in Shopify.com. Copying sections can save you time when you want to duplicate existing layouts or content. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. To do so, open your web browser and navigate to Shopify.com. Then enter your login credential to access the dashboard. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Next, you have to go to the online stores section in the left-hand sidebar. And then select themes. Find your active theme and click Customized button. Now, let's locate the section you want to copy. In the theme editor, look for the section you want to duplicate in the left sidebar. Hover over the section until you see the option appear. Click on the three dots next to the section title and select Duplicate from the drop-down menu. After copying, you'll see the new section added. Click on the duplicated section to open its customization options. Make any necessary adjustments such as changing the text, images, or layout settings. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click Save to keep your modifications. And that's it, you've successfully copied a section in Shopify. This can greatly speed up your design process and keep your content consistent. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to drop a comment under the video if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.